Former Board of Trustees member of the People's Democratic Party, Honorable Charles Idahosa, on 13 May 2024, don't carry in supporters deflect back to the All Progressive Congress APC. Honorable Charles Idahosa for im address tok say the greatest misfortune wey go before Edo State na for Governor Godwin Obaseki and the PDP candidate Asue to win the September 21st governorship election. Idahosa call warn members of the All Progressive Congress say make dem no dey carried away by small talk wey dey go round say some quarters dey put hope on federal might to win the forthcoming governorship election, and come advise all party members to join hands and work together to return the state back to APC. Idahosa constantly talk say im no comot for PDP to APC to come compete with anybody, but to come restore the lost glory, and say he don too old to contest for any position, so make no one see him as threat to them.
The APC has been one family. I was nominated into the board of the railways. Then I was a PDP person. I was APC when I was nominated into the board of the Nigeria Railways Corporation. When we now moved to PDP, I felt it was morally wrong for me to still be on the board when I'm no longer a member of the party. So I wrote, I was the only PDP now with all the states represented by APC. You are appointed per state. They rejected it. They said, no, we are one. We are one family here now. And I completed my tenure. That goes to show the wide acceptance the APC people have. There is no perfect party. So to cut a long story short, like the secretary of the party said, it's just homecoming for me. Yeah. And I'm very comfortable with that. And at 71, I'm not going to be a threat to anybody, but to come and work so that we can restore our glory. So nobody should be worried about, oh, Charles Idahosa is coming. I'm very proud of my leadership during the period I led the whole there. Things were moving smoothly, we will quarrel, we will settle. I'm too old to contest for any election or accept any appointment now. So I want to quickly say that nobody should bother. I'm here just to make sure that we restore back the glory of the APC. And I want to advise the APC as well, which is the area I really want to talk about. Paul Sodubu is here. We won election 3 times from opposition. With the PDP at the national, they were not able to muzzle us. I don't want the APC to think, because I'm seeing that kind of attitude, that because they are federal, everything is done. No. The greatest misfortune that can befall us is for Godwin Obaseki's government to have a continuity in this state. We shouldn't allow it to happen. Keep your eyes on the ball. That's what I've been telling my followers. They come and say, look, whether they look at you with bad or anything, we are going there because we want to achieve a purpose. Don't quarrel. After winning, we come and quarrel. But for now, we must all be one. So I want to appeal to all our brothers and sisters in the APC. It's not over until it's over. We must fight, because it's very easy for people to revert to nocturnal style, to frighten the umpire. They will just start spreading wrong rumor, and on the election day you see the umpire getting scared. We must work. We are going to move from booth to booth. We are going to move from this to this, so that we can. As for who that we have won, there's no doubt. There's no two ways about it, because record speaks for itself. When in APC under my leadership, we won. Since I left, they've never won there again. Until we went into an alliance with them again, and we decided to work with them for House of Rep. Only the candidate here and our brothers in Orion, we knew the synergy we put together to be able to, because the labor gave us hell all over the state, not only in Uhoda. So I want to thank all of you for finding time to come.
Idahosa constantly talks say
it's not really a speech making day, but I've already made up my mind to react to certain things. One, when Godwin Obaseki was swearing in his campaign council, he made a statement that was very irritating and very annoying. All those people leaving our party to go and join other parties have been given money. They are leaving because of money. They can go and spend their money. I want to challenge Godwin Obaseki through this medium. When he came to me like a weather-beaten chicken to come and beg me to help him, how much did he bring for me? How much did he bring to people who abandoned everything they were doing to support him? I manufactured a war cry called Togba, which mobilized the whole world for him. He should be able to be man enough to say how much he gave. Because I see it as a weak reaction. They give them money. How much can you give the people here? Everybody that are present here now. So I gave them money to come here. So I think I challenge him because he has always been saying it. I give them money, I give them money. Anytime he goes to any religious function, he will be telling them, they are fighting me because I refuse to share money. Mention the names of the people who ask you for money to share. Don't just talk like that. So I challenge him on that. And lastly, I was reading an interview with a group of Vanguard editors. They say, I fought battles. Which battle? Did he fight any battle? Me and a few others fought his battle. My biggest regret today is that I did not allow Obaseki to resign after 4 years. 3 times he came to me in this house in the night after taking a beating in Abuja, either from the chief of staff to the president or from any other to come and tell me, I'm tired. I'm tired, I'm no longer interested. I would just want me to Shomoli, he should bring whoever he wants to bring, and then I'm okay. 4 years is enough for me. I go back to that. It's not about you. It's about the Beninese. Somebody else cannot dictate to us. Talk back, you must do this 4 years. He got a very serious argument with me in this my house. He said, are you going to chop Panadol for my own headache? I said, not be me they want. I said, I know they do again. I said, you must do. That's how we continue that. I said, don't talk, leave me to do the fight. He said, he has one battle. Did you fight any battle? The only 3 people that knows how he survived when he abandoned 14 legislators and worked with 8 is myself, Okiye, and the deputy to Okiye. How we got the perpetual injunction, restrained the National Assembly, the SS, the police, everything. It was done in Port Harcourt. Originated by late Zakawanu Garuba, may so rest in peace. I was the one that told him immediately we got the judgment. That's how he survived. I fought many battles. What battle? Have you seen battle? Have you seen battle? So at the end of the day, I think he has a problem in medicine. They call it delusion of grandeur. He's deluded. I will win 80% of the vote. Where will you get the 80%? Here. September 21st is around the corner. And unfortunately, it's my birthday. And bad things don't happen to me on my birthday. The last time he won the election was held on the 19th. It was announced on the 21st as the winner. And all the national papers carried, I said, this is my best birthday gift. And I'm looking forward to another birthday gift on the 21st of September. So I want to appeal to all of us that there is no cause for alarm. The other time, he went on a trip again. Myself and my brother Okowa, we give Atiku 1.5 million. Did they get 200,000? So we should just keep our eyes on the ball. Let's work like one family. This is not time for division in the APC. We must return Edo back to the APC. I have absolute confidence in the candidates of the APC, Akpakomiza, Senator Okpewolo, and our son, Denko. You see, when people talk, it's not the English you speak. What survives you in this world is street sense, not book sense. If not, all the governors in the 36 states will be PhD political science. But many of them cannot be councillors. It's street survival instinct. Okpewolo can't speak English. Okpewolo can't do this. Okpewolo can't do this. How did he get to this level? Under 1 year, he won a senatorial seat from Central. What miracle will turn it around now if you cannot clear the whole Esa? The same year, he won governorship ticket. Totally unknown person. And you say it's an ordinary person. It's like underrating the Esama of Benin. He didn't go to school. He didn't pack degrees. He's been producing graduates, doctorate, everything this world has ever seen. The first black man on earth to own a 747 Boeing. He did it from Benin here. He not go school. Now where go school now, uncle? He now has his own university giving degrees to people. So people run Okpewolo down, they don't know what they are saying. The truth of the matter is that it's the ability for you to pick the best to work with you and take decisions after listening to the other. That's what you need to be a good governor. Ogbemudia is the greatest governor that ever ruled here. We all remember Ogbemudia when he came. We knew his level. But by the time Ogbemudia left, Ogbemudia could gather Harvard professors and lecture them. It became very, very brilliant. So we should not allow those. We are not interested in those. The young man is capable. He has been doing well in Esa. Denko, a very small boy. We all know what he has achieved with his son. There is no name they have not called him. The other time they said is this, is that. Is it not Denko? He can't travel. He can't go anywhere. He went around the world recently and came back. So APC family, I'm appealing that we should keep our eye on the ball. For now, those are the few questions for Obaseki. We are coming. We will come for him. The last time he was threatening, I will do this, I will do that. We too, we are coming. We will meet in the battlefield. This next 6 months, if you say your mother cannot sleep, you too cannot sleep. You cannot pay back with ingratitude people that have helped you. There are so many things that he knows between me and him. We have guided him. But today, you know, power is an intoxicant. So he's just... But what we need to do for now is for us to be calm, take back the power first. I'm appealing to everybody, especially people from Muhudia and Orion, which is my own constituency because I was born an Orion person. When I was born, there was no Muhudia. We have always operated as one. When Odubu was going for House of Rep, we all gather in his place, in that place, and we campaign and come back there and dispatch in the evening. We have always been one. And when they wanted to turn it around, we disagreed because it was a gentleman agreement. This man, a complete neophyte who was walking the streets of Marina with briefcase, selling shares, was telling us that I'm not aware of that arrangement. How can you be aware? Were you born then? And we said, okay, you want to spoil the relationship between Umudia and Orion. So we decided to pick the APC candidate, who is from Umudia, and we work together. And to God be the glory. It's in the House of Rep today. And I want all of us to still be one family. There's a lot of division. There's a lot of job to be done. I will liaise with the leader, former deputy governor, so that we can put our eyes together. Because I know all is not smooth, and it will not help us. It will not help us at all. This time, APC needs to be focused and look ahead, because if we, God forbid, we can't even think of it, we must retain and return the door back to APC. So for all of you that have come, I say thank you very much.
APC National Woman Leader Dr. Mary Idele Alile and APC Chieftain Barrister Washington Osa Osifo for their talk, Konyan say Bele Sweden Wella as one of the founding members don't return back to where he rightly belong, and so one day they very happy sake of say Charles Idahosa na big force we get waiting it take to command fellowship.
We dey here today, come witness waiting happen today as he waka enter. In fact, we happy well because we know say this man when he come so now founding member for APC and also a board of trustee member. So as he don't come back, in fact now welcome home ceremony na be this. So we happy well because we know say this man when come so if you don't know make I tell you na mover and shaker for Nwode. And you know say Nwode and Oriomo we come be brother and sister. Me na Oriomo I from come. So as I dey here so I dey happy well because I know say Nwode as I dey talk so it's already covered and done. And if Nwode is covered, Oriomo is covered as well because we want make we win this election when they come so September 21st 2024 for this Edo APC must take over power for Osadebe Avenue and also we know say our candidate Senator Okpebolo and in deputy Right Honorable Denko, these two people they be movers, they be shakers, and they go deliver for this election. So now happy now we dey happy as I dey here so now join I full my belly so I know say everything don't settle for APC.
The man are very big force. You know say as all of us are happy here like this. I seen talk just now. You know, they're born for Oriomo. The time Oriomo and Nwode not the same. But they play politics from Nwode today. But because he don't take, you know, when they politics and a very vocal person, if he talk him the way we be, and a strategist, not deep thinker. So that one don't end up a lot of admiration and followership. And politics not game of number. Now the leader will get number, where know people, where people they follow. Anytime they come, that's why everybody they celebrate it like this. We from Nwode, hey, now we are peoples. You see the national woman leader there. You see this party secretary. You see the former deputy governor. Huh? Particularly in this Edo South, where we for come, where we say now then they determine who win election. You see, for me, to God be the glory, say come, because you don't tell what with the beggar. I beg, come. So as you don't come today, God don't answer our prayer. We're very happy. But as to say, which value they bring. You'll forget it.
APC Chieftain Orobosa Omo Ojo JP, House of Rep Member Honorable Billy Osawaru, and APC State Publicity Secretary Barrister Owadia, wey also tanda gidigba for the event, Konyan say dem dey satisfied and get confidence for Charles Idahosa as he not be person they fit use money by.
Now here be the power base now. Now here we start 2007. That time, now me they speak for comrade for the campaign. He participate for the primaries. Like I say, we allow that primaries go the way he go. No be as a B if or B. So he get power. You know why he get power? He be what they call elder statesman, and he be lion. You know they fear. They talk truth. You know person where they talk truth for this world. He be like Jesus Christ. You remember when he enter synagogue, scatter all the markets, say, my papa house not be where they sell goat and ram. Now the same person, Charles Idahosa be, he go talk him. If he did meeting with you, he go talk him as a be without your favor. You know if you use money, like some political leaders be say you want to buy in conscience. So he don't return back home now. And PDP made them be in the pack their bag, made them go.
He know what kind of he come back home. So he forced now all of us what they see here so. Both for the PDP where then go since and this APC in a founding member for this APC. We miss them for here we not there since. We ain't live for here, we be children. Where they come to, he don't build another force for them. So imagine as he don't come now, he don't go bring those ones come join us. So you don't already know what he force be. He force now the one that they win election, or the one that they speak English. And everybody where they politics for those states no say now them. Now be the pillars. Anywhere then they that party they win election. And that one don't tell you now say comes 21st September 2024 APC go win this election. Last line.
Make I tell you, we don't gradually see the end of PDP for Edo. Because when ceremony for burial don't the end, people go they come, they go house. now that the gladiators when the PDP all of them don't come out, wetin come remain for PDP. The election go just dey easy for APC to do. The only thing we need to do now is to tell our people, say people when don't really work with the present governor, they don't see how he be, say he not be good person, and good person not fit, bad person not fit bring good person make he come rule this state. So he want transfer power when he not do, go give the person when we not even know, when Edo people not even know, when even the Ishan people not even know. Me for here now, because of say person near government, now they hear in name small. He never do anything for Edo. The person when don't do election win as senator. First time when APC they win for Edo Central, e mean say in people like him. Again too, now him be the governorship candidate for APC. Now small work we get to do. Tomorrow you go here say even dey possible say make us when the camp come join us. He go do, because wetin the eye don't see now, you never see him before they give him the ticket. The man not even know wetin to do with the ticket now, because if he know wetin to do with the ticket, say the tell am say na so he go come be at the end of the day, the man for not take the ticket. E be like say na Zimbabwe dollar na they put for the man hand, he not go let am use. We dey tell Edo people say the only party when go fit change Edo, when don't do am before, Edo people see am during Oshomole's time, now he want come back again. We want start from where Oshomole stop, because now when where Oshomole stop, now we see government reach for Edo. So we want start from where Oshomole stop. Make we not even know say, make we not even talk say somebody like Obaseki ever rule Edo, because now bad name now he give us. So election when we want to, we'll talk to Edo people. We want start our campaign soon. Once we start our campaign now, the thing when you go to here now, wetin Okpewolo want do for Edo people, and you went there Edo, you go know say those things not there now. Now those things when government when they now not do, now we want come do. We want come do and differently, make Edo people still start to enjoy the democracy when we get for Edo.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojeseli, TMC TV News.